नुस्त्यात फॉर्मेलिन सापडल्या उपरांत गोंयांत खवदळ जाल्लो. सरकाराचेर सडीक टिका जावंक लागली. उपरांत सरकाराक हे प्रकरण गंभीरतायेन घेवचें पडलें. सुरवेच्या काळात नुस्तें तपासपाचे प्रक्रियेत सुशेगादपण आनी धिलाय आशिल्ली. ताका लागून लोकांचो एफडीएची यंत्रणेवेलो विस्वासच उडून गेल्लो.
My friend and honorable minister, last week it was pointed out to us by the honorable health minister of Goa, who was accompanied by the chief secretary as well as FD officials, that there have been certain apprehensions in the minds of people about the quality of fish, and we decided that to ensure, which is also the commitment of the Goa government, and Goa government was very unequivocal about it, which was just now also Mr. Sardesai has been, he spoke to me on phone the same day, and since then he has been talking to me that whatever happens, the quality of food people get, whether in form of fish, vegetables, fruits, whatever it is, should be conforming to the best of quality. And anything that is potable, anything that is edible must be of best possible quality. In that, keeping that in view, we have decided to put a world-class laboratory, and in between, because we have the capability under the EIC, which is Government of India undertaking, which is accepted for quality certified by that organization, is accepted globally, including Europe, Japan, Korea and US, all top countries, because we export fish there and they rely only on the certification of this agency. So that agency has been directed to visit here. The other agency, which is Quality Control of India, which also together they are going to work towards creating these facilities so that we'll ensure that what we guarantee to people in the most developed countries of the world, where the standards of health are highest and even better than what are in India, the same agency will certify the quality in future, and therefore we are working on it, as I mentioned to you. Also, we'll put a mobile van and a laboratory so that if there are any specific complaint that can be addressed immediately, that again will be tried to put it up. We are going to put in very soon a system of online complaints. If people have any complaints, they can file online complaints so that online complaint can be addressed immediately with substantiated laboratory test and everything else.
हेल्थ मिनिस्टराचे असो विचार आहा की आझील जे आसलें आदलें ओल्ड आझील तातूंत तांकां जागो दिवप असो टेंटेटीव हें आहा. आय डोंट होल्ड अ हेल्थ पोर्टफोलियो, सो इट्स नॉट प्रॉपर फॉर मी टू मेक दिस अनाउंसमेंट, बट टेंटेटिवली ही हॅज दॅट इन मायंड.
We should ensure that Goa has always been at the forefront of good quality, and Goa government's complete total commitment to ensure that quality is never compromised, but only to ensure that we supplement Goa government's efforts which are already in place on the ground with global institutions which have been accepted globally. Will be working together.
नुस्त्यातले फॉर्मेलिन तपासपाचे पद्धतीचेर चर्चा करपा खातीर सोमारा महत्वाची बसका जाली. तातूंत घेतिल्ले निर्णय विजय सरदेसाय आनी सुरेश प्रभून पत्रकार परिशदेंत जाहीर केले.
फॉर्मेलिन इन फिश म्हणून जो इश्यू जाला तो इश्यू एक सारको एक सदाकाळ ताका एक सोल्युशन हाडप हे हेतून बाब विश्वजीत राणेन तांकां वचून दिल्ली मेळिल्ले आनी थोडी डिसिजनां घेतिल्लीं, जंय आमची एफडीएची डायरेक्टरूय आशिल्ली. आज आमी आमच्या सरकाराचो हाय लेवल डेलिगेशन म्हळ्यार चीफ सेक्रेटरी आशिल्लो, पुलिसूय आशिल्ले आनीक एफडीए आशिल्ली. आमी मिनिस्टरा कडेन उलयिल्लें आहा आनी थोडे आमी डिसिजनां घेतल्यात.
I stayed back only for this important meeting, which after the meeting in Delhi, we had a follow-up meeting with Honorable Minister, Chief Secretary, FD officials and health officials, and we had discussed at length the roadmap. We'll implement each part of that roadmap jointly to ensure that we achieve the overall objective of providing best quality food of any kind to citizens of Goa.
पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार यशवंत परब.